Hello, this is Pamela. Welcome to my channel. Grab you a cup of coffee, sit back and relax, and enjoy some good old yarny talk. So for today's tutorial, you are going to learn how to do this raised diagonal stitch. Isn't that cool? And then here's the back side. I actually think the back side's pretty. I like that. Okay guys, let's go ahead and get started on this. I'm just using a medium 4-weight yarn for this sample, and I'm using an H 5.0 millimeter crochet hook, and I think I said a medium 4-weight yarn. Okay, so you're going to need to chain a multiple of 4. So how I start my chain is I put my my hook underneath my yarn like this, and I lightly touch it, and then I just twist it around like that. And then I yarn over and pull through the loop on my hook. So that was one chain. So I'm going to chain 20 since it's a multiple of 4. Okay, so I went ahead and chained 20. Now the next thing you need to do is work 1 single crochet in the second chain from the hook. So there's the first chain, there's the second chain. 1 single crochet. So you just insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And that's a single crochet. And so you just single crochet in each chain all the way across. Okay, so now I'm at the last chain. I'm going to work my last single crochet. And since I chained 20, I have 19. Okay, so the next thing you need to do is you're going to chain 1. Now that's your foundation row. I'm counting that as a foundation row. So for row 1, we're chaining 1, and we're turning our work, and we're working 1 single crochet all the way across. So starting that first stitch right here, 1 single crochet, and a single crochet in the next stitch, and just keep repeating this all the way across. Okay, so now I'm on my last stitch here. Just going to work 1 single crochet in that last stitch. So that was foundation row and row 1. So for row 2, we're going to chain 1, and we're going to turn our work. Now, this is where we're going to start the diagonals. So we're going to work 1 single crochet in the first 3 single crochets. So here there's 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so now we're going to work a front post double crochet around the base of the next single crochet 2 rows below. So here's this stitch right here. So there's 1 stitch, 1 row, and then the second 2 rows below, 1, 2, and then to the right of it. So it's going to be in this stitch. So I'm going to do mine a little loose so it won't be so tight. And then I'm going to pull up, and then I'm going to finish out my double crochet. Now we'll do it again. Okay, so that was this stitch. That counts as this stitch. So 1 single crochet in the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, you see how that's looking? Okay, so we're going to do that front post double crochet again. Now, there's your first stitch, first row, second row, and so you're going to move over a stitch, and we're going to do a front post double crochet. So yarn over, insert your hook, go behind that stitch, yarn over, pull through. You got 3 loops on your hook, lift up, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 1 loop. Okay, so now you have 2 diagonals. Okay, so that was that stitch. So 1 single crochet in the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, and 3. Now we're going to repeat that. So for this stitch right here, that's 1, 2, and we're going to move over to the right. So yarn over, insert your hook, go behind that stitch, yarn over, pull through, pull up, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Okay, so that was that stitch. So 1 single crochet in the next 3 stitches. That's 1, 2, and 3. There you are so far. So we're going to do it again. So there's the first stitch right here. There's the second stitch. So it's going to go to the right of that. So yarn over, insert your hook, go behind, yarn over, pull through, lift up, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Okay, so that was that stitch. So you single crochet in the next 3 stitches. That's 1, 2, and 3. So here's what you have so far. Okay, that was row 2. So for row 3, you're going to chain 1, turn your work, you're going to work a single crochet all the way across. Now you should have the same amount of single crochets as you did in your foundation row and row 1. So like in my case, I should have 19. So I'll work a single crochet in each stitch all the way across. Okay, so now I'm in my last stitch, so I'm going to single crochet in that last stitch. Chain 1, turn. Now this will be row 4. So for row 4, we're going to single crochet in the first 4 single crochets. So there's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so now we're going to work our part of our diagonal. So for this stitch right here, we're going to do a front post double crochet right here. Okay, so yarn over, insert your hook in that diagonal, that double crochet right there, yarn over, pull through, and lift up, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Okay, so that was that stitch right there. So you're going to single crochet in the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, and 3. So we're going to repeat that again for this stitch right here. We're going to do a front post double crochet right there where that other front post double crochet is. Just like that. So a single crochet in the next 3 stitches. There's 1, 2, and 3. Okay, we're going to repeat that, a front post double crochet in the front post double crochet. So yarn, pull your yarn up, You don't have to, but I feel like it keeps it from being so tight and stiff. Okay, so a single crochet in the next 3 stitches. It's 1, 2, and 3. Now we're going to do our front post double crochet again. So just insert your hook under that front post double crochet and pull your yarn up and finish your double crochet. Now we have 2 stitches left, so we're going to single crochet in the next 2 stitches. And here's what you've got so far. Okay, so now we're going to chain 1, turn our work, and this is going to be row 5. So for row 5, you're going to work a single crochet in each stitch all the way across. Just like this. Okay, so I'm on my last stitch. We're going to work a single crochet in that last stitch. Now we're going to chain 1, and we're going to turn our work. So now for row 6, we're going to start on our diagonals again. So how we're going to start row 6 is we're going to single crochet in this first single crochet, and then we're going to make a front post double crochet 2 rows below. It's for this stitch here, so 1, 2, and then 1 to the right. So we yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, and pull it up, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 1 loop. Okay, so now we're going to put 3 single crochets, or single crochet in the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, and 3. Now we're going to work our diagonal again. So so you do a front post double crochet in that raised diagonal. Pull your yarn up, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops. Okay, a single crochet in the next 3 stitches. That's 1, 2, and 3. And there's what it looks like so far. All right, so we're going to work another front post double crochet. Pull your yarn up, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Okay, a single crochet in the next 3 stitches. That's 1, 2, and 3. So now we're going to work another front post double crochet. Insert your hook in that front post double crochet, and then pull up, and then a single crochet in the next 3 stitches. It's 1, 2, and 3. Okay, we're doing a front post double crochet again in that last front post double crochet. Okay, and then we're going to have okay, so now we're going to end with 1 single crochet in this last stitch. So there's what we have now. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, now we're going to chain 1, turn our work. So for row 7, we're just going to have a single crochet all the way across. 1 single crochet in each stitch all the way across. And don't forget, you should have the same amount as you do on row 1. and on your foundation row. Okay, so I'm on my last stitch. Okay, so now we're going to chain 1 and turn our work. Now this is going to be the last of our repeat row. This will be row 8. So we're going to single crochet in the first 2 stitches. So there's 1 and 2. Okay, so now we're going to work our front post double crochet in this front post double crochet. So yarn over, insert your hook, go behind, yarn over, pull through, and lift up. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 1 loop. Okay, so now you're going to work a single crochet in the next 3 stitches. That's 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so now we're going to work a front post double crochet in that front post double crochet. So pull up, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Okay, so a single crochet. So a single crochet in the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, and 3. Now your front post double crochet. Go behind, pull up, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops. Okay, single crochet in the next 3 stitches. That's 1, 2, and 3. A front post double crochet, just like that. Okay, and a single crochet in the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3, and you're going to end with a front post double crochet, lift up, and that's it, guys. That's how you do a raised diagonal stitch. Isn't it beautiful? And it works so much better when you pull up like I showed you. This one I did not do that, and it's a little wonky because of it. Still a beautiful stitch, but it comes out so much more squared or here when you lift up for your diagonals, compared to this one is not as squared looking. It kind of wants to go that way a little bit. I guess you can see it more this way. It wants to go that way because I did this tighter. So, and this one is a lot more square. All right, guys, have fun with this. And just remember, you just keep repeating rows 1 through 8. Don't include your foundation row, okay? Just repeat rows 1 through 8 over and over till you get the desired length that you want. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.